welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm happy to have you here. If you're here, you probably love cash envelope stuffing videos as much as I do. So huzzah for us. So this week, I'm going to be stuffing a total of $450. 140 of that is going into my cash envelopes for my wallet, and then 245 are going to be going into my sinking funds. So I'm going to go ahead and get the cash laid out. Okay. So these, can we just take a moment to see how awesome these are? These are so aesthetically pleasing to me. These were made by a content creator here on YouTube by the name of NashsWallet. She also does weekly cash envelope stuffing videos and has a website. I'm not sure if she still has an Etsy shop or not, but I think she's got her own website now. So I will put a link to her channel in the description box below. Be sure to check her out and show her some love. And if you like what you see here, go ahead, comment, subscribe, like, all the things, okay? So let's get started. Food is going to be getting $80. 80. Awesome. So go ahead and write that in here, our handy dandy little budgeting sheet, which I will get to in a minute if you're interested in something like this. Gas is going to be getting a 20. Perfect. So then there is $20 in that envelope. Miscellaneous is going to get a 20. So we've got $20 in that envelope. And then spending is also going to get a 20. All right, so that does it for the cash envelopes going into my wallet. So I'll go ahead and set those aside, and we will get into the sinking funds. Oh, let's not forget to fill that in so we can be confused later. Fabulous. All right, guys, here we go. All right, so, first, these cash envelopes, these are adorable, and they are made by a content creator on YouTube by the name of Tara Budgets. She has an Etsy shop. I will link her channel in the description box below, so you guys can check her channel out, check out her Etsy shop. She did these envelopes for me, and she also sells this digital weekly paycheck budgeting sheet, which I am obsessed with. I love using it on my iPad, and yeah, it's a whole lot of fun for me to play around with. So, all right, here we go. Emergency fund is going to get $20 this week. I do have an emergency fund, and some of those are already in the bank right now. Most of that money's in the bank right now, actually. So for this video, we're just gonna go ahead and pretend like we've only got $20. In a future video, I'll update you guys on the balance and how that's going. My girls are getting a 20 for their savings account. I've got 2 kiddos and they have a bank account. I like to put money in there for them. So it's getting a 20. My little fun envelope is not getting stuffed this week. It's sad, but true. Household is going to be getting a 10. So we've got 10 in there. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. Mia doesn't have anything. Household has 10. Alright, let's roll on. Our home envelope is getting a 20. This envelope is saving up for our down payment for our future house. So here we go. We're putting it out into the universe. 20, 40, 50, 60. $60 in that envelope. The debt snowball this week is getting $100. Pay off those credit cards. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 100. My mom's envelope is getting a $5 bill. I like to put aside some money for her for spending. So mom's got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95 $. I also set aside $5 right now a week for my uncle. I like to, he's currently battling cancer, and I like to set aside some money for him so he can do whatever he needs to do with that. Our health envelope is getting $5. So our health envelope currently has 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 30, 40, 50, 5, 65, 70. So we currently have $170 in our health envelope. Now maybe you guys can comment down below and let me know, do you guys have a health envelope, and if so, how much money do you have in it and do you keep in it? I mean, I'm thinking I'm going to 200 then, and maybe just leave it at that. It was 170, right? Oh no, comment down below, let me know if I messed that one up. Okay. Clothes is not getting anything this week, but we've got $60 in there, and that should be fine. The kids just got their winter clothes. I just got my winter clothes, so we should be good to go there. Here's hoping. Here's hoping. All right, birthdays is gonna be getting $5 this week. And birthdays has $25, $35 in it. Car maintenance is getting a 20. See what we got going on in here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30. So car maintenance has $130. Okay. Next is taxes. I'm putting $20 in my taxes envelope for 2021. Always end up owing the state money, and this year I want to be able to just pay them off right away. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we've got $280 set aside for taxes. All right, beauty is gonna get a 10 this week. See what we got going on in here for beauty. 10, 15, 20. Back to school. Yes, back to school. Back to school is going to be getting a 5 this week. So that's gonna happen soon, right? Right? Here's hoping. Here's our first $5 towards the back to school fund. Oh, let's put that out in the universe that the kiddos can go back to school safely sometime soon. All right, and gifts is not gonna get stuck this week, but let's go ahead and count 10, 15, 20. We know we've got $20 in our gifts envelope. So go ahead and get that written down. All right, and then it looks like I've got $20 going into my savings account, which is right there, and then I've got 20, 45 going into checking. So this will just go into my big envelope, and I will take that to the bank and get that deposited. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me for my first ever weekly cash envelope stuffing video. I hope you had a good time, and like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and I will see you next week. Bye.